I'm almost embarrassed to post this as a recipe, but every time I make these noodles for people, they ask me what I did to make them so good. My answer is, well, nothing special really. I agree that they're really good though, and since it's the only way I cook egg noodles now, here goes. Bring a big pot of water to a boil with a good amount of salt in it. It's about a teaspoon per quart, that's about 6 grams per liter. Once boiling, add 16 ounces of wide egg noodles. The wider the better is what I've found to be true. Stir occasionally until it comes to a boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook until they're the way you like them. I like them softer than al dente for sure. Could that be why people like them so much? Soft comfort? I don't know. Drain them in a colander, draining them pretty well, but it's good if some drops are clinging to them. Then put them back into the pot you cook them in. Add 4 to 6 tablespoons of butter cut into pieces. Stir so it starts melting. Then add some cracked pepper and at least a quarter teaspoon of salt. Stir and taste and add some more salt and pepper if you'd like. I find that the fresh parsley isn't just for color here, but adds some brightness. Fresh basil or chives are good too. Okay, give them a try. I'm really curious to find out what you think. Get more taste easy recipes at cookthestory.com.